Hey, we're going on a hike. Adventures in Heartland. There's Becky. Wait,
I'm right here.
right there.
We're in the gray.
John, Jan, me.
You're on Crater Creek State Park.
Yep. We're going in the woods. We'll take you along.
Yeah, we were in that Frankenstein house video. Somebody behind John.
The haunted cemetery. There's John.
When we first
Becky and
went
Jan.
we were dating.
This is the original spring house, and they just rebuilt it. There's the spring right there. Oh, they got it locked.
There's a little baby crawfish right there.
Ooh.
Every time we come here, there's baby crawfish.
Lunch.
There's one right there.
No, I'm not doing
Oh, they're babies? Hmm.
I don't know if we can today or not, but
There used to be a pet grave back here.
is there?
The marker's here, but the pet, I think, has been dug up.
Oh wow, there ain't never been there before.
Yeah, either that or they tried to dig it up.
I've never seen that there before.
I've never seen
Doesn't look very old because it's still kind of
Oh,
freshly
yeah.
cut wood over here.
That's weird.
But if we
Probably
could,
animals probably tried
Big
to
old
eat
boulder up there.
you go right up through here, go away, and there's an old car right up,
back in
right
there.
up here.
Just up
There's an old car up there?
Yeah, there's an
Oh,
old,
we gotta
old
go
car
see the
right
old car.
I think it might be an old bug, old beetle.
I think I found the car. I come back here looking for a car. I believe the roof is laying right over there. And here's the back of it. Found the rest of it, I think. Looks like an old Volkswagen Beetle. Bumper looks in good shape. Wall from the original spring house. This is built by the Schaefers who used to own this land. I have to look at the years, but I think it was like 1950 this park was established.
Really? Yeah, but that's what they look like.
Original wall.
They look like lineage. But they're
That's the spring house back there right in the center of the screen.
Got something.
But back when the Schaefers lived here and they had this land, that lake was not there. It was a creek. And then the state came in, dammed it sometime in the 50s, if I remember right.
50s or 60s.
And made, I think it's Worcester Lake.
Worcester, yeah.
Worcester Lake.
Worcester.
Oh, those are some cool ones too.
But no, this was not lakefront property as it is today, though.
Darcy Worcester first proposed a man-made reservoir in the 1930s.
1930s?
They proposed it.
Oh, proposed it in 30s.
Yeah, World War II shut it down.
Not the actual funding, probably.
I don't see none back there.
The area was designated to become a park in 1969.
69?
Yep.
So it was the 70s then, honey.
Yeah,
Museum
that's
stuff.
why, okay.
Yes, East North Liberty it became reality on June 6, 1977. That was the year I was born.
Hey, we're having fun, are you? I'm gonna go catch them. The Adventures in Heartland. And Becky. Let's go catch them. We've been hiking for 2 hours and 15 minutes and we went 2 miles. It's because we're looking at everything. Because that's how we are. And we've caught them. Hey, we made it. We're at the end. Of course, I ain't on the asphalt yet.
We made it. We did not die.
Here we are. We did it.
How many miles did we go?
40.
Yeah, I need to look at ours too.
See what
Let's see how many miles we did.
Oh yeah, I did.
How many?
2.9 miles.
2.9 miles.
I don't know what mine says.
Trail 4, Potato Creek, over here by the cemetery.
Mine says 3.
3?
Yep, 3 even. How do you do that? I don't know, but I got 3 even.
Because all these apps come up with different readings.
See, mine says 3.0 too.
I'd say 3 miles.
And I started mine way
Let's see what-
before we were way after.
How fast you did it?
That was a save. It was heading right to that asphalt and I smacked it over to the weeds. I dropped my phone.
I started mine right when we got out of the car.
I did too.
Hers was saying 2.9.
I have 2.98 miles.
I got 3
So
even.
it's pretty close to 3.
Everybody's got right at 3 miles.
Right about 3.
I got
2
3.
hours,
Becky's
50
got-
minutes.
You got 2.9 and Roy's got 2.9.
Well, by the time I get to the car, I might have 2.99.
Yep.
All right, we walking. Oh, you got my stick, don't you?
A little bit of battery either.
Wow.
Usually I got to refill
I didn't either. Well,
times.
the phone recorded it used. Well, I don't think it. No, it made it. It only used about 20%. I don't know what this Google phone used. We met a nice couple back there that was in the Arizona Hiking Club. So if you subscribe, howdy howdy. Here we are at the parking lot. We have made it. We survived. It was a.
I parked in the shade, but now we're in the sun. Darn it.
Nope. Now I'm exactly 3 miles.
Huh?
Exactly 3 miles.
Exactly 3.
3 miles. That's what everybody's got.
Yep, 3 miles.
And, you know, so
And back there's the cemetery. And we went in that way and we come out over here.
Had a good time.
It was fun.
there's a bunch of videos that have more talking than anything. More visiting.
Conversing, good conversation, and a nice visit.
Yeah. We learned a lot.
But we're,
There's the adventures in the Heartland. What?
our link to their channel in our
Yep.
description. That's what
You
we'll
got
do.
into
I'll
something.
get it right here.
Yeah. We'll have a link to their channel or a card floating around up there somewhere.
It'll be somewhere around this area.
You go off trail, come here.
Why? Yes, I went off trail. Remember I went to the car.
If you ain't already.
The Volkswagen. That was, hey, don't poke me with that.
Hold still, you got more.
I didn't have, man, we've been here all the time. We never even knew there was an old Volkswagen Beetle back there.
Yeah.
I think they got them.
He's like, don't poke me with that one. Wait, I got another one. All right, you can poke me with that one then.
I'm like, what is hooked to your shirt?
But we had fun. Hope you guys enjoyed it.
Had a good
And we'll
laugh.
bring you on more because I'm sure this ain't going to be the one and only with these guys.
There's going to be more,
Definitely.
for sure.
Alrighty, time to edit. Have a good one. Here's the camp store at Potato Creek.
You in the head of it. The brain of it.
They got a little bit of everything in here.
And we're at good price.
Those are the good ones.
Well,
You have the cast iron ones.
yeah. I like this. Feels like a barrel. Yeah.
That's my wine cup.
Ice cream. Ice cream.
Right there.